Hello, beautiful people. Hi, it's Teresa from Tea and Me Crochet, and I'm here today because I have an unboxing. I am part of the My Mystery Yarn Creations held by Armchair Chef, and there's several of us that are doing this, and I have a mystery box. Excuse me, my cats are getting in the way again. I have a mystery box to unwrap, and the whole idea is that I gave yarn to somebody, and then somebody else gave yarn to somebody, and there were 8 of us, and we gave yarn to somebody else that was on the list, and then we opened the yarn, and whatever we have, we create something with it. And we need to use every piece of the yarn or every different kind of it. We don't have to use all of it, but we need to use a bit of everything. Now, if we want to use all of it, we can, but that's basically the whole shenanigans. So let's see what I have. I have been given my box from, I have to turn it around, from Donna, from Melfina Magic. I hope I said that right. But let's see what she gave me to work with. I'm going to be very careful. I don't want to cut into the yarn. Tried to do the unboxing earlier tonight, but the cat, well, one of the cats, he tumbled the tripod and sent me flying. Aww. Just a friendly to make you smile. She sent me some stickers. Isn't that pretty? Okay, oh my gosh. I got all kinds of goodies in here. Okay, let's see what I got. I'm going to have to put my glasses on so I can go through this. Okay. Oh boy. What am I going to make? Here's Pace. Never heard of this. This is a brand new yarn for me. It's color 17. And it is it looks like a lightweight, maybe a fingering yarn. It's a knits. And it's so small, machine washable. I can't tell what it's made out of. I'm sorry. But here's a Crafter Square yarn. It's a 3 maybe. See, does it say? Nope, doesn't say. But I'll make good use of it. And there again, I'll have to get some cheaters on and see what we got here. When in doubt, the camera works as a magnifier when it's not doing other things. No, I just want to see what kind of yarn there is in here. Anyway, we have that, and we have some Sassy. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm going to make with all of this. And we have some of this Crafter's Square, some more Crafter's Square. Look at all of these. What am I going to make? Oh, the cats have found the box. No kitties, no kitties. And some Red Heart softness. The label's broke. But look at the sparkle in there. Look at that. Oh, this is going to... Bye-bye, kitties. Bye-bye. Oh, I don't even have an idea. I had an idea in the beginning, but now with all of these different colors, I'm not sure what I can make now. And the cats, that was the first layer. See the second layer? See? And we have some Red Heart with Love. No, Stacy, get out of there. And some Joe Sharp. And then I have 4 skeins of the Studio Samples 4 skeins. Let's see if it says. Okay, it's a 3 weight. 4 skeins of that. Oh my gosh, what am I going to make? Oh, I'll have to think about this because this has got all kinds of things. Granny squares. That immediately jumps out at me. Granny squares. Something with granny squares. Yep, that will do. I am going to make something with granny squares because all of these, I will make them work and I'll do granny squares with them. Oh, thank you so much, Donna. I can't wait to get my hands busy and see what I can make. Well, thank you guys for paying attention, and thank you guys for joining me. And you guys have a great and wonderful week. God bless. Bye-bye.